We've been around for a long time and our business is continually evolving. But if I had to say one thing, we're a managed content services provider. The history and legacy of our business was managing content associated with paper. A long time ago we started as a typewriter repair company. That has since evolved into servicing very sophisticated copiers and printers and network systems. We look at content from a digital format, whether it be converting paper into a digital format, or it may be managing digital content that may be on a digital display. Our business continues to evolve into other areas of printing as well, such as 3D printing. And if we think about 3D printing as well, we're managing the content, which instead of a 2D image on a piece of paper, may be a 3D object that's used for prototyping or moving into manufacturing. Today's printers and MFPs are acting a lot more like computers. And with that, we need to have an IT security policy that's on our printers the same way it is with the rest of our IT infrastructure.
The biggest challenges that customers have right now in the technology landscape are cloud solutions, security, and quality technology solutions. Those three are the key things according to the technology time clock, which everybody at some point will actually reach that same time. Now is that time. A large shift has happened in the infrastructure where everybody needs security, everybody needs cloud solutions, and everybody needs a qualified technology solutions company. That's us. The part about security that's the question to be asked is what am I not doing as a customer, but it's what don't I know, right? Technology companies have a job to educate the end user and the customer about security. One of the biggest concerns in the landscape of technology is the edge device, right? Printing devices, laptops, Internet of Things devices that are joining their infrastructures now. Adding IT services to it basically allows us to provide tomorrow's technologies today.
For a customer who is not currently utilizing 3D, it's a matter of what their pain points are. How fast is it taking them to go to market? How much is it costing them, for example, with a plastic part to do injected molding? How much do the molds cost? And how long does it take them to get from their supplier their materials and their parts? How much inventory does a customer hold? It really depends on the business model today, the cost of a customer, what their profitability is, because 3D can help drive a lot of these costs down tremendously. When a customer looks to explore 3D technology, they need a consultant. They need somebody who can walk them through the process and help build a business case, because they are transitioning from a traditional way of manufacturing by using subtractive manufacturing, if you will, going to 3D. So what we do is we'll take a customer's CAD model, we will actually print some samples for them, and we'll do the benchmarks test, we'll do the feasibility study by the producibility of how many parts per day, per week, and the cost per part. So we build that business case for a customer and give them the return on investment for this technology.
We help our clients improve communication within their workspaces from an audiovisual perspective. So whether that's just traditional digital displays from a presentation environment in conference rooms, interactive whiteboards, or video conferencing in huddle rooms, or digital signage around their workspaces. We're not just providing hardware, and we're not just providing software on a very transactional level. We're identifying the right hardware and the right software for that particular use case. And then we're thinking with the customer about what are the goals that they're trying to accomplish, right? And then figuring out how to best leverage that technology. So providing that support overlay on top of the hardware software solution really, I think, differentiates us from competitors that are just thinking about it from a transactional standpoint.
It's exciting. These are exciting times. Things are moving quickly. It's really rewarding to me when I look at a project, a year into the engagement or 2 years into engagement and see the results that we've provided for our customers. But also I look at the investments that we're making in digital displays. I look at the investments we're making in 3D printing and managed IT services, along with our core business of managed print and electronic content management, is just to expand those services that we deliver and continue to get better every day.